Sending money abroad has never been easier, and Revolut money transfer to India is a popular choice for those wanting speed, transparency, and low-cost conversion rates. To begin, here's what you should know before transferring money using Revolut. First, make sure your account is verified and your recipient's Indian bank details are correctly added, including the IFSC code. Transfers can take 0 to 2 business days, and Revolut typically offers mid-market exchange rates with a slight markup on weekends. Also, be aware that while Revolut itself may not charge fees, the recipient bank might deduct some INR upon receipt. Now here are 5 smart tips you won't find online for extra savings and avoiding charges. Transfer on weekdays before noon, UK time. Revolut applies less markup when the forex markets are active, usually saving you up to 0.5% on the USD to INR conversion. So here's a quick tip. Avoid making small transfers. Try to bundle your transfers into one larger amount. This way, you can actually reduce the risk of getting hit with multiple banking fees at the receiving end. Another thing you can do is use the Revolut Premium or metal-free trial. With this, you get better FX rates and 0 transfer fees. Just remember to cancel after your trial ends to avoid any subscription charges. Before you make the transfer, always compare with XE rates. Head over to xe.com and check if Revolut's exchange rate is actually favorable. Sometimes, even waiting a little bit can mean you get more INR for your money. So, one really smart way to manage your monthly savings is to use recurring transfers. Just set a fixed amount to send every month. This helps you lock in favorable exchange rates and, avoid all that rate volatility. So, here's how to transfer money on Revolut. First, just open the Revolut app, then tap on Payments, select Send, and choose the recipient or add a new Indian bank account. After that, enter the amount in US dollars and make sure to confirm the currency as Indian rupees. Then, just tap Send and you're done. Wondering how to transfer money from Revolut to a bank account? Well, it's just as simple. After entering the bank details and the amount, Revolut automatically converts and transfers your funds to the desired Indian bank account. If you're seeking a user-focused Revolut review, consider its ease of use, competitive foreign exchange rates, and helpful features like spending insights and rate alerts. One smart decision can save you thousands over time.